Whether you are an experienced real estate professional or a newcomer looking to break into the market, this video is designed to show you why having a website or app is crucial for real estate agents. We'll then walk you through the steps to create your own successful real estate platform. Whether you are a small or big real estate agency, if you are focusing only on social media and not investing in a website, you could be making a big mistake. About half of the US population uses Instagram and the most active users are from Gen Z. However, according to a report from the National Association of Realtors, Gen Z made up just 3% of buyers and 2% of sellers. Relying solely on platforms like Instagram means you are only reaching a small number of potential real estate buyers and sellers. So this is a situation of the lowest hanging fruit. Would you rather cater your marketing efforts to 96% of the population or go after the 4%? Now some of you might still think that having an online social media presence is enough. It's not, and here's why. Even if your real estate agency is thriving, relying solely on your strong network and repeat business might mean missing out on a significant portion of potential clients. According to the same report from the National Association of Realtors, almost 60% of home buyers begin their home buying process by searching online, whether by looking for reviews directly or conducting a general search on Google for top real estate agents in the area. Without a website to represent your real estate business, you are directly losing 60% traffic of home buyers. A website for your real estate business opens up opportunities to target these online home buyers. You can direct them to your review section, property listings, and more. Now that we understand the importance of having a real estate website, let's explore how to create one. To create a successful real estate platform for your business, which can have similar features like Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com, you need to have a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverage cutting-edge technologies with advanced AI capabilities to deliver you an exceptional app and create engaging and compelling user experiences. Our real estate platform comprises an admin panel, a customer app, and an agent app. Our admin panel consists of robust dashboard, listing management, booking management, analytics and reports, revenue management. Our customer app consists of seamless social login, search filters, 3D virtual tour, mortgage calculators, in-app calendar for appointments. Our agent app consists of property listing, payment management, calendar reminders, customer database, appointment management. If you're interested in creating your own real estate website or app to dominate the highly lucrative real estate industry, then simply click on the link provided in the video's description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.